Hi everybody and welcome to 4Z's. I'm going to try to make this demonstration as short as possible without taking up too much of your time. What you have here in front of you is the kind of breakdown of what comes standard with 4Z's, as far as your SEO, your backlinking, your campaigns for backlinks, your Amazon links. I know it's a pain selling Amazon because you need API keys. That is not the case here. All you need is your Amazon affiliate tag, -20, whatever that is, and your ClickBank affiliate ID. That's it. There's nothing more that you need. You don't have to go apply for anything. Both of these platforms you get, approved immediately. So with that being said, take a look at what's on the screen and understand this comes standard with every site that is generated. Whether you're building 10 sites or building one website, this comes standard with all of them. So get an idea of the details and understand everything is 100% SEO optimized. That says 6.0 seconds, but that's actually 60 seconds should be. But with that being said, let's move on. And what you have here is a few domains that I just recently purchased. There's 7 domains. As you can see from Namecheap, right here, I paid $4.34 for 3 domains there, $3.16 for 2 domains here. That is not necessary. 4Z's, you can host your pages right on our domain, but if you like to use your own domain with white label rights, you have that option as well. So just to fill you in on that. So with that being said, understanding how cheap it is to get a domain and get these monetized, that's the idea. So with that being said, let's get into the software. What you have here is your basic interface. As you get access to the software, you'll get a access token, you'll have your email, and the only thing you basically need to do is add your ClickBank nickname, your ID. That's it. Your Amazon tag is installed under My Sites. Just add your Amazon affiliate tag and that's it. Everything else is done for you. So I'm going to fill this information in and we'll get started. So there's not much left to do. You just basically come here and pick a niche. Say relationships and dating. It gives you the gravity, so that looks like a good one. So obsession, you can add your lead capture page if you like, or you can leave it out. It's up to you. We'll get into white label and bulk generation in a second here, but you also have the option for Cloud Opus and ChatGPT. We'll build this out with Cloud Opus for the first run here. All this is what's happening. Some of the stuff is telling you what's happening in the background, so we'll just click generate. It'll go through this process here. It's writing your content. It's injecting SEO markup and affiliate links, deploying the 4Z's pages, and submitting your sitemap to Google, and automatically building your done for you campaign. As you can see, that was generated. It generated on our site, so it says 4zs.org sites. You get help, and that's what the page basically looks like. It builds out wonderful pages, instantly shareable on all your basic social media sites. Your affiliate links are here and embedded throughout the page. It builds a real nice website out for you. Not a lot of work for you to do. Come here, share it. All these leads are going to be in your analytics dashboard that comes here. And this again is your affiliate link. Your Amazon links are down here, which are related to your product. And of course your legal pages and stuff right here. So that's how the single page builder works. And it's done. This page is live. You can instantly share it and you're good to go. So that's one option. The other option is if you wanted to do bulk generation. You could do bulk generation and just come here and you can do pre-select, and you can select the particular products that you want to sell from ClickBank. They're all vetted. They're all clean. Oh, before I forget, before we go further, let me show you. So we did his obsession, secret obsession website, and just to show you what happens in the background, that automatically gets generated. So your drip feed starts over 7 days. You can see it started just now, and that's what happens once your website is generated. This happens all automatically in the background, so you'll automatically get backlinks immediately. So let's get back over here. So bulk generation, you can do bulk generation like I said. You can select any of these here individually, or you could just say random and go random. But again, that's going to put the sites on our domain, and that's totally up to you. But if you want to go with white label and put it on your own domain, you just select white label right here, and you come here and you just fill in a little bit of information and test your connection. So I'm going to get this information, fill it in, and we'll test it real quick. Once you put your connecting information in, you can basically give this any name you want. My honest reviews. And basically just fill that in and do a connection test. That's good. So from there, you more or less just basically picking if you want your lead capture page on there or not. I'll add the lead capture pages and select whether you not want random or pre-selected. And you come here, pre-select the ones that you want, or random. I'll leave it on random for now, and I'll go ahead and build out 10 websites. So it starts with the first website right there, and it's going to go through all 10 of them, each niche, and it's going to build them out. We'll take a look and see what it looks like when it's done. But between each website build, there's about a 30-second cooldown time. So it basically takes about, I don't know, 15 minutes to build out 10 websites. So we'll let that run. We have selected Cloud Opus or ChatGPT, but they both work really well. It doesn't matter which one you use. So as you can see, the first one has been done. The word count is 3438, which is very high. You can take a look at this right now. It's done. And you can see my honest reviews right there. Those are your affiliate links. And that's what the website looks like. I mean, they're really in-depth reviews. And then you have your relatable products from Amazon at the bottom. Oh, and of course your legal pages, all done for you. Nothing to do. So we'll get back over here, let this here finish generating 3 seconds before the next one starts. So now it's doing the ancestral abundance code, and we'll just let that finish. And as you can see, this is one of those domains that I purchased, the 4UZ, but yeah, it just easy, fast monetization, and you're getting a two-prong attack for affiliates through Amazon and through ClickBank. Traffic starts within 2 days of deploying your sites because your backlinks are starting within 24 hours. So just to keep in mind. Next one is done. So as you can see, we've made it through, I believe, 9 so far. We got one more to build. I'll go ahead and start opening these now so you can see exactly what they look like. That one to finish, but we can go ahead and have a view. actually what comes out of the websites. They're all different. They're all 100% unique. No illegal pages included there. Images will show up. The pages are just still just kind of loading. It just lays them out really nice. So that's basically what that does on the bulk generation. So that domain is completely monetized all throughout with different niches. You don't have to use your own domain. You can use 4Z's. Again, ChatGPT. And just to make sure you understand, this is exactly what you get with the sites that are built. All of this comes standard. 100% SEO optimized, indexed, sitemap, everything. Sitemap is actually submitted for you, so you don't have to go through that. Canonical URL, everything is done. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. I like your feedback, so tell me what you think.